Like every year, we're back here for the annual boat show in Düsseldorf, the largest consumer exhibition for water sports equipment and activities. Come with me as we're going to explore the new things in the realm of underwater image making. Let's go.
This is a 45-degree relay lens for the EMWL.
I know the EMWM. I've tried that personally myself a little while ago, and I really love the results that you can get with this thing. This looks really cool. So it is basically just giving you different angles that you would normally not be able to get, right?
Yeah. Basically shooting up, but this is too extreme. Normally, when you have a subject close to the sand, you have the camera a little bit at an angle, and then you have maybe 15 to 20 degree upward, and then you can shoot a sunball behind it, which is really amazing.
So it gives you that creative opportunity to shoot objects in a usually very difficultly achieved way, right?
Yeah. You cannot bury the whole housing under the sand. So we can do that now. Get very close to the seabed and then shoot up.
And we have been asking so many times with external shutter, because like some photographer, especially for macro, if they press sometimes too hard on the screen, it will be a little bit of shaky on the image or out of focus to the very, very small objects. But now, with the new Bluetooth shutter, you can remotely control your smartphone just by pressing this shutter button.
I'm here to introduce UWACAM, our new app to the underwater photography and underwater cinematography world.
Wow, that sounds really exciting. But what is UWACAM? Can you give us a little bit more information about that app that you're talking about?
Yes, UWACAM is a specialized app that works specifically together with the Divevolk iPhone underwater housing.
Maybe if we have not only one, we can use the two. Because why two? For the turning, we can use the different speed between the two models. You can easily to left and right. These are my ideas, yes, for the new products. We call K6.
The K6 coming out soon. Very exciting. What really caught my eye as I was passing by your booth this morning was this big boy here in the background. Now, Oscar, what can you tell us about this impressive looking light?
Okay, this light is our 65,000 lumen. You can see it. Yeah, this is really the brightness in the world. You can take a look at the performance.
Wow.
Yeah, you can see it. When I open it, it's a 65,000 lumen. You can see the coverage is a 160 degree. Low hotspot, hard to see the edge. Like the sun turn on, okay?
This is the new technology housing for the smartphone. It's the best housing for the smartphone with the top solution, because we have not compromised. A lot of button panel is a magnetic button, and with this button you can check a lot of things. You can have also the remote light control in the light of the panel. You can have a deeper pressure and the temperature of the water. You can have inside SSD 1 tera for record directly in the housing your image.
Now we can introduce our video light. One is the D304000. It's special for underwater video and with the white LED, and you can change the color, bright, blue, and UV light.
Can you tell us a little bit more about this amazing looking piece of tech?
Yes, yeah, I'd love to. So this is Sublue Vapor, And this is our latest sea scooter, and it's an absolute rocket in the water. You
imagine.
hold on to it and it flies through the water up to 10 kilometers an hour.
Wow.
But the most important thing is it's got tons of thrust. So for you divers, this means that it's got loads of power to pull you and your tanks through the water and have a few people hanging off your legs as well if you need to.
I will introduce our upcoming Flex Dive Series torch for you. This one, the maximum lumen is 12,000 lumen. Yes, we use the magnetic charging system. It's very easy to charge it, only 6 hours to charge it. And we have different one. These two, the height can be changed. Yes.
Wow. Okay. Yep. Now, I've heard, a little bird told me that there is something new from you guys coming to the market. What can you tell me about that?
Well, first of all, thanks Matthias for enjoying our products. It's really popular on the market. And about the rumor, well, your little bird tells the truth that we do have a new product coming soon. Well, however, it's a confidential project at the moment. We can't reveal anything at the moment, but well, you will heard more to come out in a few months. So yeah.
We are at the end of 2 awesome days that we had here at Boat 2025 in Düsseldorf. We were able, during our time here, to talk to numerous of the exhibitors and product manufacturers that gave us a really nice and detailed insight into their new products that are going to be hitting the market in 2025. If you're interested in learning more about all those products and hearing the entire complete interviews of all the people that we talked to during the show here, then go and check out this playlist next. Thank you very much for having been with us here at the Boat Show. It's time for us to hit the train and plane then back to Zurich, and we look forward to seeing you back here on the channel with us next week.